Upskilling your sales team is one of the most important things you can do. That's why days like today are so important for us. So we're in Stratford today at the Hyatt Hotel. We're here for our bi-yearly training event for our sales staff. And days like today are so important, upskilling, reinvesting that time back into our staff to make sure that they're best equipped for their day-to-day role. So we're covering a range of different techniques, from the initial inquiry and how we deal with them purchases at those early stages, right through to the various techniques to closing the deal. Not only on days like today do we focus on the sales acumen and sales technique, but we put a lot of time into focusing on being best in class when it comes to customer service.
A great takeaway for attending one of these events for me personally is to catch up with all of our colleagues, brainstorm and help each other come over certain challenges on site. Taking away what's happening with all the geopolitical issues going on, how that's affecting the mortgage markets at the moment, and then just learning some new takeaways that we can take back to our developments.
There's a wealth of information out there, and it's good to have these get-togethers so that everybody can discuss it and talk about it, share views and share things that have happened to them. So it's just experience as well, I think.